Okay, Vaibhav, can you explain me what is your role and responsibility in your current organization as a day-to-day activity which you are doing in your project level? So my objective here is are you also working as a team player into the team, or you are just leading the team only? Taking the responsibility as an individual team player as well as the leading the team also based on the project demand. Mhm. Manual and the QA automation tester, correct? Okay, so at the like automation side, like what see? And like in the Selenium, like which language you are using? Which Python? Okay, okay. And you have any exposure onto the .NET as of now? Scripting or the coding purpose itself, like Selenium is mostly using with the Java and the .NET, correct? Like C sharp, I can say. Whatever the technology they are using, we also need to agree on to that part, but we can show or we can tell our opinion into the good manner so that the client will be take the better decision, correct? But we can't argument on to that part. So in Yeah, so that my question again the same, have you worked or have you knowledge about the Java or the C sharp related with the Selenium or not? No, because I also already working on to that same part, but as a developer, not as a QA. The only catch here is the requirement specific. Like we are strictly have the requirement based on the client demand. So that is the Java or maybe the C sharp. Like C sharp is the preference, and Java is the good to have if the candidate is aware. So that is the catch here. So, like Vaibhav, I think I will not go further. And if any of the update will come, so HR will let you know about the next coordination with you. Okay. Mhm. So you can say that will come under the manual testing effort. Correct. So we can ignore that part because that is the common, because for that one, like the person who have not the knowledge of any of the language, then he can also do the testing. I believe you are also agree on to that part. Mhm. Control, because this control is always onto the client end, correct? So that's the only catch, and I think you already leading the team and you already interacting with the end client itself, so you know that the expectation from the client side. Mhm. Okay, so the expectation here is the candidate should be capable to work onto the front end as well as, if good, then he will maintain the front end also, that will also good, but at least from the back end it is required, correct? And you know that the logic wise is good enough, the logic is common there is a no problem, but the you know that the syntax wise there is always taking little bit time when the person are jumping from one language to the another language, but you know that the client is very demanding from the day one, so that is the only catch here. Sure, I will keep your profile onto the exceptional case, and yeah, thank